AWS has two different configurations in TOML format for configuring the AWS CLI, or I suppose this could be used for anything that's using the API, like the SDK. So we have the credentials file, which is used to store sensitive credentials, such as your access key and secret. Then you have config, which is used to store generic configurations, such as preferred region. Now, even though they say that, you can technically store the region or other information in the credentials, but you're really supposed to put it in the config. So just understand that you can have config in credentials, but you really should separate them out. You can store all the same configurations in either files, though credentials will take precedence over config. There is a lot of configuration options here, so I'm just going to quickly list them out as you can see them all. What's really important are the ones in red, as these are the ones you're always going to be using, which is the key and secret over here. And then we have the output and the region. So again, those are the most common ones that you'll use, but you can see there are a few other options. There's also S3 specific settings, and I'm just going to bring them up quickly here. So they look like this, where you can set things like the concurrent requests and the max bandwidth. Some apply to all S3 commands in both the S3 API and S3 namespaces. If you don't know what those are, it'll make more sense when we go to the S3 section. The AWS S3 transfer commands, copy, sync, move, remove, have additional settings you can use to control S3 transfers. But that's the only caveat that I know for configuration. But again, just remember these four, and you're going to be in really good shape, okay?